welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. It is day 2 of my 25 days of Christmas and I got my Ipsy box already, so let's jump into it. So in case you're new here, I do get sent these boxes for free. BoxyCharm and Ipsy do not pay me to make these videos. They do just give me the stuff for free and say, hey, post it. I'm like, sure, whatever. I'll do it. Maybe one day it'll be a paid gig, but until then, I am just happy to receive something for free. So I end up talking too much through the rest of the video, so let's just hop into it. I'm gonna show you the products I got, and then we'll try some of it on right now. So I'm not gonna lie, I got this package really early. So I got this on November 28th, and I have no idea what the theme is. I'm hoping it's Christmas related since I'm doing 25 days of Christmas. Alright, so I guess the theme is you're the main attraction. But let's start with the Ipsy bag. Hopefully it's a cute bag. Oh, and it's a material I don't like, but it's cute. Something fell. So something that wasn't in this bag is this. This is a brush from Shan. This is what it looks like. Feels nice. Now let's see what's actually in the bag. It has a little bauble here. Apparently I get another card. First up is the Ahava, I think that's how you say it, Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask. Little sample size, of course. And then there's the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. I have used this before in the past, and it's a very nice exfoliator, if not a little too intense. I wouldn't say I missed it in my life, but I'll give it another try. And then we have an eyeliner from the brand Shades by Shan. I have so many eyeliners. This one is in a caramel, sweet caramel shade. So I typically don't like these little things. This is an eyeshadow duo. This is from the brand What's Up Beauty, which I just discovered on Instagram. This is a really pretty purple shade in here, not gonna lie, it's very pretty. I heard about this brand on Instagram. They had like a dragon palette, which I almost bought. Usually I don't care for these little ones because I don't find the need for them since I have so many other palettes. But for this one, I'm not mad at it because I've been wanting to try this brand, so works out. I will say the glitter is coming off this bag. I don't really care about, but my husband hates that glitter. It gets everywhere. So I got 3 things for the eyes and 2 skincare. Not bad. So now let's see what's in the BoxyCharm box. I am really hoping that this doesn't have anything broken in it. I was lucky last month, but the past few months I've just had things come broken. This is new, never had a piece of paper in here, but I'll look at it later. First up is a lip scrub from the brand Lucky Chick. It's in the flavor whatever, sweet vanilla. I'm a sucker for anything vanilla, and I need a good exfoliator in my life because my lips are horrendous. Next up from Ciate London, this is the Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. I've tried quite a few Ciate London products in the past and I've been pleasantly surprised with them. So I'm excited to give this a try. This one's interesting. This is from Tis Beauty. This is the Final Treat Hyaluronic Acid Infused Setting Spray. Interesting. It says it's a treat for the skin that weightlessly sets makeup all day and visibly minimizes the appearance of pores, resulting in a refreshed and hydrated finish. That sounds amazing. So next is a skincare product. This is the Dermalect Flawless Oh my god, I can't say that. I'll put it on the screen here what it is. Apparently this is a retinol alternative. I don't really know much about this brand, and I'll give it a try like later on, but I need to look into this brand a little bit more. And we have a whole palette from Rem Beauty. I'll be honest, I have not been that much of a fan of the Rem Beauty products I've tried. This is the palette in Baby Doll. It's kind of the shades here. I honestly think I might give this away. Not gonna lie. Just because I'm not a fan. Maybe somebody else will like it. I'm just not a fan. So in the box there's 2 more things. I think these are directly from Ipsy. So let me open this since it's going to be loud. Oh, these are socks. I was literally just talking to my husband last night about how I don't have any socks like this. I love a good long fuzzy sock. Not gonna lie. This, I know what it is. I get it. I don't know if it's for me. It's like a water bottle bag. I have a giant bag that I carry everywhere and I just throw my water in my bag, so I don't really need that. But if I ever switch back to a smaller bag, I guess that's a good thing. So now that I have everything, let me figure out what I want to do for my makeup. Let me go grab some products and we'll get started on trying some of these products out. So be right back. Alright, so I really want to try this lip scrub first. I, like I said, love a good lip scrub because my lips are always so rough, especially getting into the colder months. It smells like vanilla extract, but it looks like I am such a sucker for vanilla. Oh my god. It says gently rub on lips, rinse with water, and pat dry. They don't feel horrible. They don't feel extra soft, but they don't feel as rough. So I'll take that as a win. So now I'm going to move on to the Ciate London Primer. Apply 1 pump to cleanse and moisturize skin before makeup application. So they want moisturizer first, which is fine. I'll throw on my moisturizer. This is my Lawless Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Perfecting Cream because they can't have just a short name. I'm going to give that moisturizer a second to sink in. I'm going to fill in my brows really quick. Now I'm ready for the primer. Always listen to the shake well before use because sometimes when you don't shake something, it doesn't work out well. Oh, it has a very fruity smell, like melon. Oh, it feels nice. Feels nice so far. So I'm gonna hop off and do the rest of my base makeup since I don't have anything new to put on, and I'll be right back to do the eyes. Alright, so I'm very happy with how my makeup laid on top of this. It didn't bunch up anywhere, it didn't get a little funky anywhere. I have the issue a lot where things just get a little too weird on my face. So I'm very happy with how this worked out under all my makeup. Now typically you do makeup setting spray at the end of your makeup, but I like doing it before I do my faux freckles in my eyes because it's something that I like. So I'm gonna give this TYS Beauty, TYS Beauty, whatever it is. Never actually heard of this brand. So it's the shake and keep out of your eyes. It tells you to close your eyes before misting. You keep your eyes open while you set your makeup, you are a psycho. So this is what the little component looks like. Let's see what the mist is like. Very fine. Not really smelling a scent, so let's try it. Yeah, it definitely doesn't have much of a scent. It feels really nice. Ooh, I literally just ran out of my setting spray, so this is good. I have this one now. That made everything kind of settle in very nicely. It felt very, very nice, so I'm very happy with that. So now let's do something about my eyes. I'm gonna just quickly prime with my Anastasia eye primer. I'm only gonna use this What's Up Beauty duo, so I don't think I need anything too extravagant as a base. So I'm also gonna try out this brush. This is the Dome Blending Brush from Shan. And again, this is what this looks like. Zoom you in a bit. I'm gonna start with this matte shade and I'm gonna just put it somewhere. Oh, it's more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. I think I'm gonna focus this just kind of like on the outer edge, bring it a little bit up and around, and then I'm just gonna slather that purple all over. So far, that's blending out very nicely. Definitely not the right brush for doing the eye look, but I don't feel like dirtying up another brush because I have so many brushes I need to clean. I'm also just gonna run this on my lower lash line. Definitely didn't mean to drag that too far in, but it is what it is. This seems like a really great shade that would be good just for like a wash of color, just really blown out. I really like doing looks like that. I think this purple is going to be a star of the show. I'm going to try and use my finger for this. Ooh, it's very soft. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, I am currently editing this video and I'm realizing that I should have double checked when I was filming because I didn't film the rest of me doing my eyes. I apologize, but I just ended up putting the purple all over and I used the brown liner. I smudged it a bit on my, lash line and my waterline and whatnot. But oh, I love that purple shade. I love that. But my God, why did I not double check? Alright, so that is the complete look. I am loving the purple. And I obviously decided to just go with mascara because I can't be bothered to do lashes today. So I gotta say, out of everything between the Ipsy and Boxy Charm box, I think the What's Up Beauty little duo, the setting spray, and then this cream is like my favorite things. I'm so happy with these 3 items. The lip scrub, not bad. Did it do like that great of a job on me? No. But I think over time using it, it will get better. The brush is nice. I really like the shape of it. It's one of my favorite brush shapes. And I have a ton of brushes like this, but I'm not mad about having another one. So not gonna lie, the stuff that I didn't use, I'm probably just going to add to my giveaway that's happening over on TikTok. So if you're interested in that, go check that out. I think for this month's selection, I'm gonna judge this box as if I'm not getting this for free and if I don't have a ton of makeup. I think I would be very happy with this box. You get a full REM palette, which isn't cheap. You get 2 shadows from a cool new indie brand, and you get some skincare, which is always great to have because, you're supposed to use skincare like every day, and, if you use it every day properly, then you probably run out of it quickly, so it's always nice to have backup of stuff. So I think that's it for the video. Let me know what you think of it. Do you get the Ipsy and Boxy Charm boxes? If you do, let me know what you think of it. What did you get in your box? What are you looking forward to? And yeah, should really wrap this up. Like I mentioned before, if you're interested in entering my giveaway over on TikTok, my account is artistryxashh. The video is going to be pinned, and you have to be a follower and a US resident and be over the age of 18 and blah blah blah. All the details will be over on my TikTok, which is going to lead me into this next segment, which is my other socials. I am literally artistryxashh everywhere, and I have book accounts, Devouring Bookishly on TikTok and Instagram if you're interested in, you know, the reading side of my life. But I think that takes care of everything, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm putting up videos every day this month, and I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye!
I think that my Christmas has died.